This is Amelia. Amelia is almost 7 months old. You eating grapes? Yeah, Mama help. Here, come here. Ow! Don't bite my finger. What do you think? Is it good? Hi. Want some more? Oh, hold on, that's two. Give me the boogie face. Give me the boogie face. Hi. A peekaboo. A peekaboo. Amelia. Hi. Want help? Yeah, Mama help. There we go. There's the happy face. That makes you happy, huh? Yeah. The big one. Go slow. There we go. You get excited with grapes, huh? Here you go, last one. Mmm. Say love you.